Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to today's live session. Today we are going to learn about from the questions ARQA 007. Okay, I have included 16 questions. The first question that is will be from DI, question number 1 to 5. Next question number 6 to 10 will be from number series, and then you are having questions from 11 to 16, that's from word problem. Okay, so let's move into the first question, that's from the DI. So be prepared. Here comes the first question from the DI. For attending the first question, I am giving you 60 seconds time. Okay. Yes, time is up. Okay, since you have to find out the values, I hope it is visible for you. You can read out the values. I am giving you some more time because you have to find out this, you have to first read out the data from the graph. So that's why I am giving you some more time. Okay, Ramya, okay. It's visible for you, okay. I'm waiting for your answer. Find the average number of women in companies A, C and E. So what is given here? There are 5 companies. The total employees in the 5 companies is given in this table. Next, what is this chart? This line graph represents, shows the percentage of men more than women in each company. Okay, so that is given in this line graph. Okay, so in the first question, the question is asked from companies A, C and E. Companies A, C and E. So first of all, I am taking company A. Okay, what is given? The total employees in company A is 540. There are 540 employees in company A. Next, what is given? In company A, the number of the male employees is 40% more than female employees. So first of all, I am writing the ratio. Male is to female. Okay. Next, men and women. Okay. Next, that is 40% more. So that will be, if you are taking the the value for women as 100, then the value for men will be 40% more, means that is 140. So that is 140 is to 100, or on simplifying you can write it as 7 is to 5. Okay. So this 7 represents the number of male employees and 5 represents the number of female employees. Okay. So here you know the total employees in A, company A is 540. So this total 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12 is 540. So you can write 12 is 540. So what is the relation? Into 4 into 45. So the relation is into 45. 12 into 45 is 540. 12 into 45 is 540. So our question is related to the number of women. So I am going to find out the number of women. Women is 5. So 5 will be 5 into 45. Okay, 5 into 45 means that will be 225. So number of women from company A is 225. Okay, so I have found out that value. So I am noting it here. Here I am noting the value for male, and here I am noting the value for female. Okay, so for A, the number of female value is 225. Okay, number of female value is 225. Next, from company C. From company C, male and female employees, men is to women, it is given. C, it is 12.5 percentage. 12.5 percentage is 1 by 8. So if I am taking the women employees as 8, then male employees will be 1 more. So that is 9. 9 is to 8 is the ratio. So the total is 17. This 17 is given as, for C it is 561. So 17 is 561. What is the relation? 17 into 33. 17 into 33 is 561. Okay. Yes, many of you have commented the answer. The answer is option 4. Manju, Adira, Ajit, Rujik, Ramya. Yes, right answer. Okay, so this is 17 into 33 is 561. So next I need the number of women. So that is 8 into 33. 8 into 33 means that is 264. So number of women is 264. Okay. Next E, company E. Okay, so company E. For E, what is given? It is 25 percentage. The male employees is 25 percentage. The male employees is 25 percentage. So that is more. So that is this is 4 months. This will be 25 percentage more. So that is 5 is to 4. This total is 9. So this 9 is given as, for E it is 729. So that is into 81. 9 into 81 is 729. Okay. So next is women. So that is 4. So that is 324. Okay. So that value is 324. Okay. Now coming to our question, what is asked? Find the average number of women in companies A, C and E. Okay, so these are the number of women in these companies. So I am going to take the average. So I am going to take a base value as 250. I am going to take the base value as 250. So this is how much less for company A. It is how much less? For A it is 25 less. So I am taking it as minus 25. I took the base value as 250. So 225 means how much less? It is 25 less. So that is 250 minus 25, that is 250 minus 25 will give you 225. Next coming to C. What is C? 264. It is how much more? That is plus 14. Okay. Next 324 E. 250 and 324. What is the difference? It is 74 more. So that is plus 74. So first of all I am adding C and D, that is 88, and I am subtracting the value of A from that, that is 25. So what is actually the net difference? Net difference is 63. From the base value 250, the net difference is 63, and you are going to take its average. That is, there are 3 observations, so divided by 3, that is 21. Okay, so your actual average value is 21 more than the base value which you have taken, that is 250. So 250 plus 21, that is 271. So the answer is option 4, 271. I hope it is clear for you. Many of you have commented the answer. If you have any doubt, please post it. Yes, Akhilesh, Reshma Raj, right answer. Okay, I think it is clear for you. I'm moving on to the next question. So I'm just keeping this data for the next remaining questions. Okay, so I'm not rubbing this data. Here comes the next question, question number 2. Yes, time is up. Waiting for your answer. Question number 2. We already have some values here. Total men in company C is what percent less than total men in company E? For company C and E, we have already seen, we have already got the values. Okay, that is, you know the number of female employees, women, and in both the companies C and E. So just you need to find out the number of male employees in C and E. Okay, so now next, and you have to compare this value, what percent less. Yes, right answer, Ajit. Anil Kumar, Devi, Rose Alex. Yes, right answer, Abarna, Rohini, Minusha ji. Yes, Srinath, Ajit, Aravind, Aravind D is right answer. Okay, so let's proceed. So in question number 2, you have to find out the value for the number of male employees. Okay, so in company C, this is the female value, this is the value for women, and so the men value will be, that is 9. So 9 into 33, that is 297. 9 into 33 is 297. So the number of male employees is 297 in company C, and for company E, that is company E, so that is 5. Okay, this is female, so women will be, this is 4 was female, that is women's value. Next, men, that is 5. So 5 is 5 into 81, so that is 405. Okay, so our question is what percent less than. So what is the difference? Less than or more than means you have to take the difference. So 405 minus 297. What is the difference? 108. So 108 divided by, with respect to what? Number of men in company E. Company E, the value is 405. 108 by 405 into 100. Percentage value is asked. So simplifying with 9, it will be with 3, I'm cancelling, so this is 4, this is 15, 3, I'm cancelling with 5, so this is 20, so that is 80 by 3. 80 by 3 percentage means that is option 2, 26 2 by 3 percentage. So the answer is option 2. Okay. Yes, Aisha, right answer. Gauri Lakshmi, right answer. Akhil, yes, yes. Okay, so moving into the next question. Next question, here comes the third question, question number 3. Yes, time is up. Waiting for your answer. Question number 3. A new company is introduced here. If in company M, total number of employees is 62.5% more than total men in company D. Okay, so first of all, company M is to D. What is the relation given? The total employees in company M is 62.5%. What is 62.5%? That is 5 by 8 more than total number of men in company D. Okay, so this is the number of men and this is the total given. Okay, so that is, this is 62.5% more, means it is 5 by 8 more. So if I am taking the value for this D as 8, then the value of M will be 5 more than D. So that will be 8 plus 5, that is 13. So this value, this ratio is 13:8. And we know the number of men in company D. You can find out that value from where? From this given data. So first of all, you have to go and find that value there. So for company D, okay, what is the given value? D, it is 30% more. So men and women, the ratio is 30% more. So that is 130:100 or 13:10. And this total is 23, and this 23 is given as D's total is 736. So that is 736. Okay, what is the relation? Into 32. The relation is into 32. So 23 into 32 will give you 736. So I need the value of men. So men value will be 13. So 13 into 32. 13 into 32, that is 6, 9 plus 2, 11, 1, that is 416. So this value is 416. Okay, so the value of the number of men in company D is 416. So this 8 is given as 416. So what will be the value of the total number of employees in company M? That will be 13. Okay, so total number of employees in company M is 13. So what is the relation here? 8 and 416. So that is into 52. 8 into 52 is 416. So I am just writing here 13 into 52 will give you the answer. The total number of employees in company M will be 13 into 52. I am not solving it now. Next, and total men are 60% more than women. So this statement belongs to company M. You are going to describe how many employees are there in company M as well in company M. That is the number of male and female employees. Okay. Yes, many of you have answered the answer. Yes, it is right. Option 1 is the answer. Ajit, Anil Kumar, Minushaji, yes, right answer. Akhil, yes, right answer. So here, see, now coming into company M, okay, number of men and women in company M. Okay, so that is 60% more. So that is 160, 60% means that is actually 3 by 5. So if this is 5, this is 8. So that is 8:5 ratio. And you know the total number of employees in company M is 13 into 52. 13 into 52. So this total 13 is given as 13 into 52. Okay. Now the number of male employees. What is asked? Then find the difference between number total men in company M. Total men in M. So what is the men value of M? Men in company M, that is 8. So 8 will be 8 into 52. 13 is 13 into 52. So 8 will be 8 into 52. Okay. You already know 8 into 52 is actually, we have already seen 8 into 52 is actually 416. You know this value. So this is actually 416. So this value is 416. Now next you have to find out the total number of men in company B. Okay, now next you have to solve the value for company B. Okay, so till now we haven't solved for company B. So right now I am going to solve for company B. For company B, this 24%. So that is actually 124:100. Simplifying with 4, this will be 31:25. Okay, so this total is 56. Okay, so this 56 is given as, this 56 for company B is given as 616. Okay, so that is into 11. 56 into 11 is 616. Okay, so this relation is into 11. So this is for company B, and what you need is the number of men. So number of men from B. So men is 31. So 31 will be 341. 341. So this value is for company B, this is 341, and for company M, that is 416. Now take the difference. 416 minus 341, that will be 7. So the answer is 75. So the difference is 75, that is option 1, 75. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. Yes, Gauri Lakshmi Achilles, right answer. Okay, now let's move into the next question. I'm keeping all other data there. So here comes your fourth question, question number 4. Yes, time is up. I'm waiting for your answer. Question number 4. Total women in company A and B. I think we got the values for all the companies. Okay. So you just need to find out the number of women from company B, because earlier we found out the number of men. And for company A, you got the number of women. Is what person more than total number of women in company D? Company D, you have to find out the number of women there. Do it fast. Yes, Arvind, right answer. Minnu Shaji, Devi P, yes, right answer. Rujik, please check your answer. Rujik, please check your answer. Yes, Rajimol, right answer. Yes, Lavanya, right answer. Nidin, yes, right answer. Sujant, yes, good evening. Akhil, yes, right answer. Okay, so let's move into the question. So here, what is given? women in company A and B together. For company A, what is the number of women? That is 225. We have already found out that value, that is 225. For B, company B, this is the value. For B, you don't know the number of women, you have to calculate this. The relation is into 11 and the value for women is 25. So for women, that is 25 into 11, that is 275. So this is B 275. So A and B together, that is 500. Okay, is what person more than total women in company D? Company D total women that you have to find out, that is 10. So for 10, that is 10 into 32, that is 320. Okay, so this value is 320. Company D is 320. Okay, so what is the difference? The increase is 180. So 180 divided by company D, that is 320. 180 by 320 into 100. Okay, I am simplifying with 4. So this is 8 and this is 25. Again with 2, this is 9 and this is 4. So next 9 into 25, 45. 225 by 4. 225 by 4 means that is 56.25 percentage. That is option 4. 56.25 percentage. I hope it is clear for you. Yes, Rujik, right answer. 56.25 percentage. Okay. Okay, I'm moving into the next question, question number 5. Total men in company P and Q. Yes, time is up. So starting of the question is, total men in company P and Q are 45 and 79 more than total men in company A and B. Ajit, yes, right answer. Ajit, Rose Alex, Ajit, yes, right answer. Rajimol, Rujik. Srinath Sri, yes. Okay, so men in P and Q. So P is actually 45 more than the total number of men in company A. Company A, the number of men. In company A, the number of men we haven't found out. We know only the value for women. So the relation is into 45. So the value of men will be 7 into 45. 7 into 45. So that is 315. Okay, 35, 3, yes, 315. So that is 315 more. So 45 more than 315, that means that is 360. Next Q. Q is 79 more than B. B, the value of B, number of men is 341. Okay, so this is actually 350, so that is 420. Okay, so now you know the number of men in both companies P and Q. Okay, now next up, and the total men in P and Q are 44% and 12% more than total women in these companies respectively. Okay, so here for company P, this value is 44% more. So men is to women, that is 144 is to 100. So simplifying with 2, that is simplifying with 4, I'm cancelling with 4, so that will be 36 is to 25. Okay, so this value of 36 is given. This is actually the number of men. So we know the number of men is 360. So this is given as 360. Then what is the number of female? What is the question? Then find the ratio of total number of women in company P to company Q. So the women will be 250. So here from P the value is 250 is to. From Q, what is the ratio? 12% more. So 112 is to 100. On simplifying with 4, this will be 28 is to 25. Okay, and this 28 is given as 420. 28 is given as 420. So the relation is into 15. Okay, 28 into 15 is 420. So next 25 into 15 will give you the answer. So 5 5s are 25, 2, 7, 17, 1, 375. So this is 375. Okay, so what is the ratio? 250 is to 375. On simplifying, you will get the answer as 2 is to 3. 250 is to 375. You will get the answer as 2 is to 3. Or you just write 25 into 15, that's enough. Here you don't need to find out the exact value because you are going to take the ratio. Okay, so anyway you are going to simplify it, so you can just write that number itself. Okay, so the answer is option 2. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. So that was the end of the DI. So next we are moving into the number series, that is missing number series. Okay. Okay, so here comes the 6th question from number series. Yes, time is up. Waiting for your answer. It's only a gradual change. So what you have to do, the first thing you have to do when you are getting a question from number series is observe the change. There's only a gradual change. Yes, the answers are coming. Yes, right answer, option 4. Ajit, Srinath, Rosalex, yes, option 4. So there's only a gradual change. So what you need to do is just take the difference. Okay. So take the difference. Yes, Rujik, Devi, Rohini, Rajini, Aravind, Aromal. Okay, so just take the difference. Okay, so I'm going to take the difference here. First 325 and 314. What is the difference here? That is 325 minus 314, that is minus 11. Okay, next here what is the difference? 8, 26, so that is minus 26. Next here what is the difference? 41. So that is minus 41. Here what is the difference? That is 656. That is minus 56. So this was the first difference which we got, and on observing the first difference, if you are not getting any pattern, you can go for the next difference also. Okay, Reshma, right answer, Reshma Raj. Okay, I am going for the next difference. This difference is 15. Here also this difference is 15. Here also the difference is 15. So next step, add 15 here, so that will be 71. So the answer is minus 71. So that is 191 minus 71, so that is 120. So the answer is 120, option 4. Hope it is clear for you. Many of you have commented the right answer. Okay, so I am moving into the next question. Here comes the 7th question. Question number 7. Manchu, blurred. Yes, it will. Now it is clear for you. I will give you some more time, since for some time being it was blurred. Yeah, now it is solved. No problem now. I will give you some more time. Srinath. Ross Alex. They have commented the answer as option 3. Adit, option 2. Please check your answer. Some of you are commenting it as option 3, some others with option 2. Nitin, please check your answer. Okay, so I am moving into the solution part. 45, 46, 70, 141, question mark, 1061.5. So it's more likely to be from miscellaneous series. I have already told you what is miscellaneous series. So it's a combinational series, and so I am starting from the middle terms. Okay, so just keep in mind 70 and 141, that is a twice relation. Okay, but here you see 45 and 46, that is only one time into one relation. So I am just checking. 70 into 2 is 140, plus 1 will give you 141. Okay, it's clear. 45 into 1 plus 1 will give you 46. Okay, so next relation should be 46 into something plus 1 will give you 70. Okay, so what is that number? Between 1 and 2, that is 1.5. So 1.5 means here actually the value is 1.5. I am not writing it, expressing it as decimal, I am expressing it as a fraction. So into 1.5 means that is 3 by 2. Okay, so that is 23 into 3. 23 into 3 is 69 plus 1, 70. Yes, right answer. So the next step, it will be 141 into 2.5. Okay, 1.5, 2. So next should be 2.5. So 2.5 means that is 5 by 2. Okay, 2.5 is 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so on solving this value 141 into 5 by 2, you will get the value as 352.5. That's why some of you answered it as option 3, but you forgot to add this 1. Okay, when you are adding that 1, you will get the answer as 353.5. That is option 2. Okay, Adra Raj, yes, right answer. Gauri Lakshmi, please check your answer. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. I am moving into the next question. Question number 8. Time is up. Waiting for your answers. 8th question. Yes, right answer, option 3. Okay, Gauri Lakshmi, okay. The screen will be clear soon, okay. Just wait. There's some focusing issue. It will be solved soon. Please wait. Okay, it's clear. Yes, there's only a gradual change, so just take the difference. Okay, but on taking the difference, so this is plus 12, but the next portion, it is decreasing. So it is increasing and decreasing alternately. Okay, so this is plus 12, so next is minus 24. Next, okay, so I hope it is clear for you. Anjida, Adra Raj, yes, right answer, option 3. Reshma Raj, Aisha Firoz. Okay, so here comes the 9th question. Question number 9. Okay, so the answers are coming. Some have given it as option 3. Romal gave it as, okay, he deleted the comment. Some gave it as 2, some others 3. Okay, so those who have given the answer as option 3, okay, have you just checked whether that pattern which you got is satisfying for the next number, that is 195? Please check it. So all of you are commenting the answer as option 3. Okay, so please check whether in that pattern you will get the next number as 195. Please check it. Gauri Lakshmi, Reshma Raj. Yes. Shruti Francis, right answer. Shruti Francis, Nidin, right answer. So many of you, see, many of you have commented the answer as option 3. So that answer is wrong. See, in number series, okay, you got, what you did is you just took the difference, because this pattern seems to be coming under the gradual change, so you just took the difference. Okay, but while taking the difference, okay, I think something like 60 what you are getting here. I don't remember. Okay, so anyway, when you are getting that pattern, please check whether the next number is also coming near to that. Okay, so when you are checking with that pattern, when you are moving forward with that pattern, you won't get the answer as 195. Okay, so here most of us will be trying to take the difference, but once you take the difference, this 195 will not be satisfied there. Okay, so now you have to think out of the box. Okay, so what is a pattern here? What is a pattern here? So I have to find out a pattern here, 40 and 65. So I am just checking it in miscellaneous. 40 and 65 means 40 2s are 80. Okay, so 40 into 2 is 80. Minus 15 will give you 65. And moving towards the front, 25. If I am following this pattern, 25 into 2, 50 minus 10 will give you 40. Next up, 15 into 2, 30 minus 5 will give you 25. I think we got the pattern here. So next is 65 into 2, 130 minus 20, that is 110. Okay, so check the other also. 110 into 2, 220 minus 25 is 195. Yes, it is satisfied. So the answer is option 5, 110. Okay, Gauri Lakshmi, Adira Raj, Hemalada, Anil Kumar. Okay, right answer. Okay, Roshni, Anju, Manju, Devi. Okay, Reshma, please check your answer. Okay, so I think it's clear for you. Let's move into the last question of the number series. Question number 10. Yes, time is up. There's a rapid change. So when you are getting a rapid change, most probably that will be coming under miscellaneous series. So focus on miscellaneous series. Miscellaneous series, you try to solve it from the middle terms. Okay, get a relation between the middle terms between 2070 and 5195. No one has commented the answer till now. Between 2070 and 5195, how many times it is? Can you take 3 times? If you are going for 3 times, that will be something like 6,200 something range. So between 6,200 and this 5,195, that's a bigger gap, so you cannot go for 3 times. If you are going for 2 times also, that also is a bigger gap. So what I am doing is I am going for 2.5. Okay, why going for 2.5? Goes into 3 times and into 2 times, there is a larger gap between the original number. Okay, so I am going for into 2.5. So let's see, 2070 into 2.5. What is 2.5? 2.5 is 5 by 2. 2.5 is 5 by 2. So this is 1035. So this is 1035. 1035 into 5, that is 25, 5075. Okay, so this value is 5075. Our number is 51, not 50, 5175. So our number is 5195. So what you need to do is add 20. Okay, so into 2.5 plus 20. So what was the relation? Into 2.5 plus 20 will give you 5195. Okay, now I am moving into these two set of numbers, okay, because that is easier than comparing these two. Okay, so next is 120 into 5 by 2, means that is 60 into 5, 300 plus 20, see, into 5 by 2 plus 20 will give you 320. So throughout the series, what's your relation? Into 2.5 plus 20. This 2.5 I have expressed it as 5 by 2 so that I can easily cancel it. Okay, so our answer will be, next step will give you the answer, 320 into 5 by 2. 320 into 5 by 2 means that is 160 into 5, that is 800. 800 plus 20. 800 plus 20, that is 820. Answer option 5. 820. Option 5. Ajit, Srinath, Ajit, Reema, Aravind, Roshni, Hemalada, Rajni. Yes, right answer. Pradisha, Sam, Lavanya. Yes, okay, right answer. Many of you have commented the right answer now. Reshma Raj, Gauri Lakshmi. Yes, right answer. Okay, so that was the end of number series. Next I have included 6 questions from word problem. So let's move into the word problem section. Here comes your question number 11. Yes, time is up. That was a simple question. 35 seconds is enough for you to answer that question because it's just a simple question. Waiting for your answer. Aisha Firoz, yes, right answer. Okay, so those who got the idea, please proceed and comment the answer. Those who haven't got the idea, please listen here. Amal can do a task in 18 days. Bimal can do the same task in 24 days and Chand can destroy the whole work in 36 days. So that is destroy, so that is the efficiency will be a minus value. So here the time taken to complete the work is given, which is 18, 24 and 36. So you can assume the total work as the LCM of 18, 24 and 36, that is 72. So that is 72. So efficiency of A will be 4, efficiency of B will be 24, so that is 3, and efficiency of C, here destruction is mentioned, so that will be a minus value. So that is 36 means that is 2 times. Okay, so please note here destruction is destroy the whole work, so that is a negative efficiency. Okay, so that is minus 2. Okay, so next, if Amal and Bimal work for first X days, so Amal and Bimal together when they are working, they work for 4 plus 3, they work with 4 plus 3, 7 efficiency. So with 7 efficiency they worked for X days. Okay, next after that Chand also joined them. Okay, so that will be 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, so the next efficiency is 5. So with 5 efficiency, how you got 5? A, B and C, just add it. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. So 5 with 5 efficiency they worked for x plus 4, 4 by 5 means that is 20 plus 4 that is 24. So 24 by 5 days and the work is completed. How much is the work here? 72 is the work here. So just open the brackets. This will be 5x plus these two 5 will be cancelled. So that is 5x plus 24. Okay. So 7x plus 5x is 12x plus 24 is equal to 72, or you will get 12x is equal to 48, or you will get x is equal to 4, or you will get x is equal to 4. Okay. If x is equal to 4, our question is to find how many days all three worked together. All three worked for x plus 4, 4 by 5 days. Okay. And that will be 4 plus 4, 4 by 5. Okay. What is 4 plus 4, 4 by 5? That is 8, 4 by 5 days. So that is option 5. So the answer is option 5. Akhil S, please check your answer. Okay, many of you have commented the answer. Answer is option 5, 8, 4 by 5 days. If you have any doubt, please comment it. Okay, Gauri Lakshmi, option 5. Akhil, yes, yes, right answer. Okay. Okay, I am moving into the next question, question number 12. So here comes your 12th question, question number 12. Okay, time is up. Okay, Rose Alex, please repeat again. Okay. So others, those who are doing question number 12, please proceed. I am going to explain question number 11 once again. Okay, so those who are doing question number 12, please proceed it. Okay. So in question number 11, okay, what was the question? We assumed, I hope it is clear till the efficiency part. Okay, we assume the total work as 72. For A, the time was 18 days, so that will be 4 efficiency, 72 by 18, that is 4. Next for B, that is, for B it was 24 I think. Okay, so 24 means 72 by 24, that is 3. So B worked with 3 efficiency. Now with C, I think the time was 18, 24, 36, so that is 2, but here it is given that C destroys the work. Here they are doing the work and here it is destruction, so that is the opposite way, so that is -2. Next it is given A and B have was doing the work for x days. So A and B have worked for x days. So when A and B are working together, they worked with what efficiency? 4 plus 3, 7 efficiency. So with 7 efficiency they worked for x days, and next, and after that all the three means A, B and C together worked. So when they are working together, A plus B is 7. Next, when you are adding the efficiency of C, that is -2. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So that is 5 into, what is the time? Time given was x plus, it was given in the question, x plus 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is actually 24 by 5. Okay, and here the work is said to be completed. So the total work is completed here 72. Okay, next I am opening the bracket. So here it will be 5x plus 24 by 5 into 5 is 24 itself. So 7x plus 5x is 12x. Okay, so 12x plus, next to this is 24 is equal to 72, or you can write 12x is equal to 72 minus 24, that is 48, or x is equal to 4. Okay, but our question was to find out for how much time did all the 3 persons work together. So what is that time? This is that time when all the 3 persons were working together. Okay, so that is actually x plus 4 by 5. Okay, what is the value of x? X is 4, so this is 4. So 4 plus 4, 4 by 5 is actually 4 plus 4 is 8. So the answer is 8, 4 by 5. Okay, hope it is clear for you. Row Alex, if it is clear, please comment it. Now others, question number 12, they have commented the answer as option 3, it is right answer. Ajit, Devi, Vinci Mole. Okay, Row Alex, okay. Okay, so let's start doing question number 12. A boat goes 28 km downstream. So the distance travelled in downstream is given as 28 kilometers, and while returning covered only 75% of the distance that is covered in downstream. So upstream. So returning means what is that? Upstream. So what is the distance covered? That is only 75%, means 3/4 of 28. What is 3/4 of 28? That is 21. So the distance in upstream is 21 kilometers. If boat takes 3 hours more to cover the upstream than downstream. So upstream time is 3 hours more than downstream. More than or less than means the difference is given. So upstream time minus downstream time is given as 3 hours. Okay. And then the speed of the boat in still water, if speed of the stream is 5 by 9 meter per second. Okay, what is 5 by 9 meter per second? Here your answers, options are in kilometer per hour. So I am going to convert it into kilometer per hour. So that is into 18 by 5. So that is 2. So this is 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, so the speed of the stream is 2 kilometer per hour. So that is y is 2 kilometer per hour. Speed of stream is 2 kilometer per hour. So what will be the downstream speed? Downstream speed is speed of boat plus speed of stream. Boat speed, that is what you have to find out, that is x, plus the speed of stream is x plus 2. Okay, so here what will be the speed? Speed of boat minus speed of stream. So that is, we don't know what's boat speed, x minus speed of stream, that is x minus 2. Okay, now what is time? Upstream time is distance by speed. So that is 21 by x minus 2 minus, next is 28 by x plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so instead of solving, what I am doing is I am going to take the answer from the option, because my answer is there in the option. So here you see 21 and 28. Okay, so the number which you have to get in the denominator. Okay, so the number which you are getting here, that number should be able to divide 21. Okay, so in the same way here also it should be able to divide 28. Like that it goes. Okay, so here I am going to choose the answer from the options. So first, if I am substituting x as 8, 8 minus 2 is 6. So 21 by 6, it is not a whole number, so I am not going for it. Next 2, it is not possible, 2 is not possible. Next comes 5. So when I am substituting 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, so I am putting x is equal to 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So 21 by 3, that is 7, minus here 5 plus 2 is 7, so 28 by 7 is 4. So what is 7 minus 4? 3. Yes, our condition satisfies. So our answer is option 3, 5 km per hour. I hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please comment it. Akhil, yes, right answer, option 3. Okay, so I just formed the equation and I found out that value from the option. Okay. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. I am moving into the next question, question number 13. If you have any doubt, please ask it, okay? Question number 13. Okay, time is up. Waiting for your answer. A cylindrical vessel with radius and height of 17.5 centimeter and 18 centimeter respectively is filled up to 80% of its capacity with milk. If total milk from cylindrical vessel transferred into 30 cuboidal vessels whose length and breadth is 7 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively, find height of each cuboidal vessel. Okay, so here you can equate the volume. Okay, what you are going to do is you are going to equate the volume. So I haven't received any answer till now. Srinath, yes, right answer. Ajit, right answer. Okay, so here what you are going to do is you are going to equate the volume. So first of all you are going to take the volume of cylinder. What is volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. What is the value of pi? 22/7. So you are going to equate the volume. Volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. There are some more factors that we will be discussing when we are writing that equation. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. I am going to substitute the values. Pi is 22/7 into what is r? R is 17.5. So r square means 2 times 17.5. So 17.5 into 17.5 into what is height? Height is 18. Okay, how much? 80% of its capacity. Okay, so here this is actually the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. But is the cylinder completely filled? No, you are having, it is only filled till 80% of its capacity. So you have to take only 80% of this volume. So that is 80% is actually 4/5. So into 4/5. Okay, so this is the volume of milk in that cylindrical vessel is equal to volume of a cuboid. Okay, so here what is volume of a cuboid? Volume of a cuboid is LBH. Okay, is it one cuboid? How many cuboids are there? 30 cuboids are there. So what is the total volume? N into number of cuboids into volume of one cuboid. How many cuboids are there? 30 cuboids are there. So 30 into volume of the cuboid, that is LBH. So L is 7, B is 3 and H, that is what you have to find out. See, find the height of each cuboidal vessel. So let it be H. Okay, so just simplify this. If you have any doubt, please comment it. Okay, so now I am going to simplify it. With 7 this will be 2.5. Again with this 7 this will be 2.5. Next with this 5 this will be 0.5. Next with 6 this will be 3 and this is 5. Next 3 you can cancel. Next with this 5 this is 0.1. Okay, so now what is left? 22 into 2.5. I am just writing it again so that it is clear for you. Into 0.1 into 4 is equal to H. Okay, so what is this? 2.5 into 4 is 10. 10 into 0.1 is 1. So 22 into 1. So what is H? You will get H as 22. So H is 22. So your answer is option 5. Gauri, please check your answer. Gauri Lakshmi. Answer is option 5, 22. Okay, I am moving into the next question. So here comes your question number 14. Yes, time is up. Srinath, Ajit. Rose Alex, yes, answer is option 5. Okay. So an article is sold at a profit of 4 by 15th of its cost price to Arun. Okay, so the article is sold, so that is 4 by 15th. So the profit is 4 by 15th of the cost price. So I am taking the cost price as 15. Okay, so CP is 15 means profit is 4. So profit is 4. So what is the selling price? That will be CP plus profit, that is 19. Okay, so the selling price is 19. So the selling price for whom? For the person who sold it to Arun. Okay, so Arun's cost price will be this 19, and next Arun is going to sell it. He further sold it at 20% loss for rupees 684. Okay, so next is a loss of 20% is given. Okay, so the cost price for Arun is 19. Okay, for Arun the cost price is 19. 20% loss means what is the selling price? Selling price is 19 into 20% loss means remaining you are having 4 by 5 with you. Okay, so that is 4 by 5. So this is actually the selling price for Arun. So once again I repeat, so it is given the relation is 4 by 15th of CP, that is your profit. So I am going to assume the CP is 15, so what is your profit? That is 4. So what is your selling price? CP plus profit is 19. Actually this is the data for the person who sold it to Arun. Okay, so CP and the selling price. So next this person sold it to Arun. So with respect to Arun, the cost price for Arun is this 19, okay, and he is selling that for 20% loss. So that is 1 by 5th loss is there. So the selling price will be only 4 by 5th. So 19 into 4 by 5. So this value is given clearly as 684. So this value is 684. So this 19 into 4 by 5. So 19 into 4 by 5 is 684. That is given in your question. So our question, what is the actual question? Find the difference of the original cost price. What is the original cost price? For the original cost price is 15. That is where we started. Okay, so this is your original cost price 15, which is an assumption value. Okay, but this is a real value. Okay, the difference of original cost price of that article and selling price of article for Arun. For Arun, the selling price of the article is 684. It is clearly given in the question. Okay, so cost price is 15, selling price is 684. Okay, so now you have to find out what is this difference, but be careful, this is your assumption value and this 684 is your real value. So you have to find out what is this 15. Okay, so first you have to find out what is this 15. So you have got the relation between the assumption and the real value. So find out that value. So 15 is how much? 684 into 15 divided by 19 into 4 by 5, you have to take it to the numerator. Okay, so now you simplify it. So on simplifying, you will get this as this 350, 36. This is 9. Okay, so 9 into 75. So 75 into 9, 45, 4. So that is 675. So this value is 675. Okay, so this value is 675, and so that is actually our original cost price. So that is 675. So what is our question? Difference between the original cost price 675 and the selling price of the article for Arun, that is the selling price of article for Arun is 684. So this is the difference which you need to find out. So 684 and 675. What is this value? 9. So the answer is 9. Option 5. Okay, many of you have commented the right answer. That's 9. Gauri Lakshmi, yes, right answer. Shruti Francis, Minu Shaji. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. I'm moving into the next question, question number 15. Question number 15. Yes, time is up. Waiting for your answer. Anjita, Gauri, Lakshmi, Akhil, S, all of you have commented the answer as option 1. Here also, Ajit. Okay, everyone are commenting the answer as option 1. Okay, so are you sure it is option 1? See, read the question carefully. Okay, so always there will be a misleading option in your question. Aisha, please check your answer. No. See here, what is given? A pipe can empty a tank in 60 minutes. Okay, so let the total work be 60. Total work is 60. So the efficiency of the pipe will be 60 work in 60 minutes means that is 1. Since it is emptying, you can take it as -1. Okay, so the efficiency of the pipe is -1. Next, another pipe with the diameter twice as much as that of the first is also attached with the tank. Okay, so now most of you have thought that twice means the efficiency will be twice. Okay, so I think after seeing your options, I think that yes, Nitin, right answer. Anju, right answer. Yes, answer is option 5. Okay, so here you see, since here it is given the diameter is twice, it doesn't mean that your efficiency is twice. Diameter, what is the concept of diameter? Why they have given the diameter is twice? See, efficiency means that is a work done in a unit time. Okay, what is the work done here? That is, for example, you can assume that some water is flowing through that pipe. Okay, so pipe, it is generally cylindrical in shape. Okay, pipe is generally cylindrical in shape, and when water is flowing, what you are taking into account is its volume. How much volume of water is going through that pipe? That is actually the work done. Okay, how much volume of water? So what is volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So here if the radius is r, what is given here? In the second pipe, the radius is, diameter twice means radius is twice. So here it will be 2r the whole square into h, which is actually 4 pi r square h. So it means that when the diameter is doubled, when the diameter is doubled, here what is the change in its volume? It becomes 4 times, means your efficiency becomes 4 times. Okay, so when the diameter is twice, your efficiency becomes 4 times. Okay, so here what will be the efficiency for the second pipe? That will be -4. It is clear because it is 4 times. It has become 4 times. So that is -4. So when these two are working together, when both the pipe are working together, what is the total efficiency? Total efficiency will be -5. Now what is the time taken? Time taken is total work 60 divided by 5. So that is 12 minutes. So our answer is none of these. Option 5, none of these. Actual answer is 12 minutes. Yes, Anjita, right answer, 12 minutes. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please comment it. I'm moving into the next question. That is the last question of this session. Okay. So here comes the last question, question number 16. Yes, time is up, waiting for your answer. Srinath, right answer. Aravind, Ajit, Shruti, Rose Alex. Yes, right answer. Okay, so let's see. Two pipes P and Q are open together to fill a tank. Both the pipes fill the tank in time X. So when P and Q are working together, they fill the tank in X minutes. If P separately took 60 minutes more time than X, so when P is working alone, it took 16 minutes more time than X. So that is P's time taken is X plus 16 when it is working alone. And for Q, that is actually 36 minutes, so that is X plus 36. Okay, then find out the value of X. So next you have to find out what is X. Okay, so when you are getting a question like this, so how, please note this question. So here what is given, the individual times are given with respect to the time taken when they are working together. So the individual times for P and Q are given with respect to the time taken when they are working together. So the time taken when they are working together will always be the square root of the extra product of the extra times which they have taken. Okay, so that's a shortcut, please note it. So that is root of the product of the extra times taken here. So that is root of 16 into 36. Root 16 is 4, root 36 is 6. So 4, 6 are 24. So the answer is 24 minutes. That is option 2. Okay. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. Okay, Gauri Lakshmi, okay. Okay, so I am winding up this session. Hope all the questions were clear for you. Okay, that's all. Thank you.